Despite modern technologies which are increasingly adopted in warehousing and order picking, the classic pallet racking is still the most commonly used product in this field. Relatively low investment costs and flexibility have made this system essential for storage and order picking. Direct accessibility of every pallet, easy assembly of a pallet racking installation, and fast modification of the racking configuration are only some of the many advantages of the system. The standard solution with this system is pallet racking with broad aisles. As a rule, pallet racking installations are serviced with front stackers, reach trucks and stacker cranes. Hand pallet trucks and electric lift trucks help order picking on the lower racking levels at floor level height. In high-rise warehouses, narrow aisle pallet racking is considered a particularly economic solution. Due to the narrow aisle width, good use can be made of floor space. In conjunction with the optimum utilization of the available headroom, investment payback time is short. Servicing is generally done with man-operated stacker cranes or order picking trucks, which allow convenient order picking of smaller units on all levels. Guide rails or induction lines guarantee that the operating range of service vehicles is restricted to a precisely defined area. Pallet racking is also used for double deep storage, multi-tier configurations, mobile racking applications, and in automated installations. All racking components are manufactured with state-of-the-art machinery and groundbreaking techniques. This ensures that all products are true to size and of a consistently high quality and tolerance. BITO only use specified raw materials of the highest quality. Galvanizing and epoxy coating ensures high corrosion resistance, which guarantees a long service life of all parts and components. Uprights and beams count among the basic components of the system. The frame components are all bolted. This allows a fast and low-cost exchange of damaged components. Uprights are available in widths of 80 to 140 millimeters and come in different material thicknesses to allow a perfect upright geometry for frame heights of over 20 meters and bay loads as high as 40 tons. The beams, with their unique twin-top profile in different height options, are simply hooked into the slot pattern of the frames. Reliable form locking provides an excellent lengthwise rigidity of the racking construction. Safety pins, which by a simple 90-degree turn are secured against loss, prevent beams being dislodged unintentionally, thus preventing expensive work accidents. Racking levels can be adjusted in height on a 50 mm pitch. Shims help to compensate floor unevenness and ensure an absolutely vertical setup of racking bays. Special anchors guarantee stable and solid floor anchoring of the racking construction. Additional support in depth direction is provided by pallet support bars with and without a squared timber block on top for safe storage of smaller storage loads or for pallets handled longside facing. Support trays allow safe location of stillages with their point-loading foot design. With drop-on components such as steel panels, mesh decks or chipboard panels, used either with or without support bars, a shelf level can be created to store goods of any size and shape. Shelf levels can also be realized with stepped beams and chipboard panels or steel panels. These drop-in segments sit flush with the upper edge of the beams to protect panel edges from damage. Safety regulations stipulate that corner areas and gangways should be secured by column guards. BITO offer two options for two-side and for three-side protection. These particularly robust components are mounted directly in front of the uprights and fixed by high-quality floor anchors. With a height of 400 mm, they are 100 mm higher than the minimum height defined by accident prevention regulations. The range of safety equipment also includes upright protectors with a length of 1 metre, fencing to protect the short sides of a racking run, solid backstops and wire mesh back cladding to prevent items from falling at the rear. Spray paint, marking tapes, protection and hazard warning profiles, as well as bumpers and buffers complete the safety range and help you save costs by avoiding expensive work accidents. The BITO Pallet Racking System, with its practical range of accessories, allows optimum storage of loads for all kinds of pallets, cartons or containers. BITO will be pleased to assist you in developing your warehouse. We can provide concept planning, detailed system design, production, project management and assembly of your racking installation. BITO also provide full customer care and support when your installation is in operation. Make use of our know-how and our experience to benefit your warehouse.